Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashika Singh and I'm back with an exciting video. And for today's video, I have for you my perfume collection. So I have a really heavy basket with me. Sorry for the noises. But I have my very heavy perfume basket with me. बहुत सारे तो अभी रिसेंटली मैं ख़त्म हो गया है, तो मैंने 1 या 2 दिन पहले सबकी बॉटल्स डिस्पोज करी हैं. But this is what I currently have. So me and my sister have a obsession kind of with perfume. Still we avoid as much as we can, but still we have a few good ones. So without wasting any further time, this probably will be a long video, so buckle up and let's get started. So for the first one, I have this Victoria's Secret ka Amber Romance. I have a separate video on Victoria's Secret ke perfume which has more than 54k now. The eye will be on the screen, but this is an old one. Trust me, maybe that was 2 years ago I did that when I just started my channel. But this is a really good one. It has a amber musk type smell, but it's still very sweet. I mean, it's not that sweet. The purple one is extremely sweet, which I cannot find, and this one is really musky. And if you like thoda deep smells, so you will definitely love these. Also, the top notes I will place on the screen because I don't have that much knowledge regarding the smells, and agar main deep mein jaungi to it will take too long. So yeah, this was the first one by Victoria's Secret, Amber Romance. Moving on, I have this mini perfume in my Zodiac sign, Scorpio by Miniso. इसे भी I guess 1 साल तो हो ही गया है. I haven't much used that much, इतना ही यूज़ करा है. And अगर अंदर आप देखें तो आपके Zodiac sign की यहाँ पे क्वालिटीज़ लिखी दिखेंगी. This was probably for 90 or 190 rupees, not more than that. So yeah. इसकी स्मेल भी थोड़ी मतलब फ्लावरी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, थोड़ा ऑन डस्की एंड मस्की साइड ओनली, थोड़ा वुडी स्मेल. एंड इसके जो बाहर का डब्बा था उस पर सारे टॉप नोट्स थे विच आई डोंट हैव एनी मोर, सो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. मूविंग ऑन, आई हैव दिस shimmer mist by, this was Bath and Body Works. Yeah, this is from Bath and Body Works, and this is known as Diamond Shimmer Mist. And this the name of the mist is 1000 Wishes. So this is a really good one if you are, for example, going to a party or something, and if your skin is exposed a little bit, like you are wearing sleeveless or just half sleeves also, then you can just spray it. First thing, you will smell great. Second thing, it has little glitter particles. I hope you can see. Let me shake it for you and then you will see. So it brings a gorgeous shine. अगर आपको इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है अलग से बॉडी शिमर्स में, obviously, which I find is a waste. You have so many jugaads for that. So this is a good one, and smells really like kind of oily. I don't know why, just very sweet, obviously candy type, but a little oily for some reason. But I really still very like this one, and I will probably repurchase it again. The top notes again will be on the screen if I could find it, or maybe it would be written over here. Also the price, if I remember, I will place it on the screen. Next up we have Armaf High Street Perfume. It is a fragrance body mist, and this one is stunning. If you don't want to invest a lot of money in the perfumes or mist like above 1000, this is a great one because this is around 300 bucks only, and this has a great smell. I don't know how can I just explain it, but the smell of this is amazing. Wear it on a daily basis or for evening. This is absolutely favorite. Like seriously, I have finished a bottle of this already and I have repurchased it. Next we have another perfume from Miniso known as Oriental Poppy. I have quite a few perfumes from Miniso which I have finished most of them, and I have a separate video on Miniso perfume, so if you want to check it out, link is on the screen. So yeah, this one has a gorgeous packaging in lavender color and kind of a Gucci resemblance. So yeah, again this is absolutely a very fruity smell and flowery smell. Obviously it's Oriental Poppy, so it does smell like poppy, so that's a very powerful flower smell. सो दैट्स इट. बाकी इसकी बहुत शीक पैकेजिंग है, बिल्कुल प्लेन, एंड नीचे इसकी एक्सपायरी वगैरह लिखी है. और प्राइस वॉज 460 रुपीज़, सो नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव, इन बजट, गुड परफ्यूम, थम्स अप. नेक्स्ट फॉर अ चेंज फ्रॉम मिनीसो, लेट्स ब्रिंग इन दिस बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स का एक और बॉडी मिस्ट विच इज़ नोन एज एट द बीच. एंड उसकी बॉटल भी ऐसी एक्वा ब्लू कलर की है, मतलब इसके अंदर का लिक्विड इज एक्वा ब्लू, बॉटल इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. दिस वॉज फॉर ₹1285, मतलब 1300 रुपीज़ का ये था. एंड इफ़ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली तो ये मैंने 50% ऑफ में मंगाया था. उनकी वेबसाइट पे सेल चल रही थी, अ फ्लैश सेल समथिंग. इट वॉज मंथ्स अगो, तो इस पर भी मैंने सेपरेट वीडियो करी थी रिव्यू की. काफ़ी बड़े बॉक्स बहुत अच्छे से आया था. सो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू वॉच दैट, लिंक इज ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो दिस वन smells like coconut. Beach mostly reminds of coconut, so this definitely smells like coconut. I'm not a huge fan of coconut, so I might probably not buy this again. Might try in another variant, but Bath and Body Works have a really good variety and they do last for a really long time. And अगर आपने कोई कपड़ों में पहना है तो they will really stay for a long time. Yep, I was right. Definitely like coconutish and oily type smell. So yes, this is it. Moving on, let's bring in a different perfume in, which is Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. Again, I have a separate video for it. Link will be on the description box or on the screen maybe. So this is how the box is. Ariana Grande, the queen. The name is written over here. Beautiful, cute baby pink box. Again, branding is done हर जगह अच्छे से. So let's open this. So this is how the bottle looks. Extremely cute, girly and vintage looking. This puff don't work. I mean, it's just a pom-pom. I wish it was that puffy thing which sprays out the perfume, but it's not. But that's okay. But again, very amazing smell, very long lasting, very girly, very fruity and very fresh. So if you want a detailed review, I have talked about it in that video, so you can check that out. Also, if you're wondering from where I got it, because India made it's not available, so it's from Australia. Next, I have another expensive perfume. Also, the price, if you're wondering of this, is around 5k something. So if you, just in case you wanted to know. Next, adding to the little expensive range is this. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm really sorry, but I looked up this on Google and it said it pronounced like Kalesh, something like that. So this is how it looks, and this is by Hermes. I got this from Shopper Stop, if I'm not wrong. Haven't used it that much, maybe once or twice, or my sister have used it. But this one is expensive and we are like just a little confused about it. So this is how it looks. It looks extremely luxurious, and this is, if I'm not wrong, this is 50 ml. Let me see. Yes, this is 50 ml, and this was probably for around 5k again. I'm remembering it correctly. So mostly 5.5k around. So this is how, like, we were really confused if we wanted to buy this or the CK one. But we then got it because our sister liked this one more. Again, a very cute, luxurious packaging. Talking about the smell, definitely really it's nothing like I have owned before, nothing like I've smelled before. It is a really soft and subtle smell. I'm sorry for the noise, please ignore it. So this is a very, very pretty one. I will try it. Obviously this has its top note mentioned somewhere. I hope I cannot find it, but I will try to mention the top notes over here. Next, I have an empty bottle from Miniso, and the perfume was known as Flipped. ये अभी recently खत्म हुआ है, तो I still have the bottle. इसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा heart भी है, and this smell was really, really fruity and very candy type, and really, not really, but it was a strong smell. So yes, that was it. Again, I have two more perfumes from Miniso, so let's just quickly get over Miniso, and then I have one more luxurious perfume left for you, but it's not that expensive. So I have this roll-on perfume known as Tropical Fruit by Miniso. इसमें एक blue variant भी आता है if I'm not wrong, but I got this one. It's a just simple roll-on and there's nothing too much to talk about. It says tropical fruit and I would agree. It kind of does smell like fruit, but it has a very, jani pechani smell like most roll-on perfumes. So nothing so special about it. So yeah. Next I have this Tea Tree Miniso perfume and iska price is not mentioned, and if I'm not wrong it was somewhere near around 400 or 500. Again, very affordable. Also iska price is also 1 or 200 maximum. So this smells like, I cannot remember the exact word, but this is also jani pechani smell like you all have just sniffed around it somewhere. बट मतलब इस ऐसी स्मेल बहुत परफ्यूम्स की आती है. सो ऐसा कुछ खास यूनिक नहीं है, बट इट इज़ अ कॉमन वन. तो हमेशा इट्स ऑल टाइम फेवरेट टाइप्स की. अगर कुछ नहीं है तो ये तो चली जाएगा. एंड द लास्ट परफ्यूम इन माई कलेक्शन एंड माई सिस्टर कलेक्शन, इट इज़ अ कंबाइंड कलेक्शन, सो डोंट जज. सो दिस इज अ German brand. Although I know a little German, but I still cannot pronounce it and I don't want hate in my comments, so I'm not even trying to pronounce it. So but this is a brand known as number 4711 and it is a 90 ml bottle. And if I'm not wrong, this is a really old and luxurious brand. It was I'm trying to find the year it was started in the brand, but I will paste it on the screen because I cannot find it right now. Okay, it says it is producing its amazing cologne fragrances over 200 years. And yes, this is a men's perfume. I love men's perfumes. They have the most amazing smell because most of the girl perfumes are very girly. So some of my perfumes may be from men's because they are absolutely stunning. So let's talk about it. I got this one from Nykaa, if you're wondering. This is how the bottle looks. It looks kind of like a liquor bottle in miniature. I don't know, so for some reason it just reminds me of that. So it has a vintage print over here and अंदर से आप देखो again इसमें इसके I guess qualities लिखी है made in Germany and its website. So yeah, ingredients लिखे हुए हैं which is in Germany. इस मिनीसो ने भी शायद ट्राई करा था अंदर ये लिखने का, but this one is in much better quality. And इसकी स्मेल बहुत डिफरेंट है. मतलब काइंड ऑफ आपको याद भी आएगी बट आप इसे गेस भी नहीं कर पाओगे कि व्हाट इज दिस स्मेल. आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स अ हॉरिबल डिस्क्रिप्शन, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दैट्स काइंड ऑफ स्मेल. काइंड ऑफ सिट्रसी टू. सो द सैडेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस, इसका स्प्रे डजंट वर्क. कैन समवन हेल्प मी आउट विद दैट बिकॉज ये खुलता भी नहीं है. आई मीन आई कैन नॉट फाइंड अ स्प्रे फॉर दिस. सो जस्ट हेल्प योर गर्ल आउट प्लीज. एंड इसकी बॉटल भी अंदर से रेड है, तो वेरी लग्जूरियस. So this was my last perfume. Also, if you're wondering for the price, the box, I don't know why it doesn't mention it exactly, but it was around 1000 or 1500. The exact will be on the screen because my sister ordered it, so I'm not that confirmed. So yeah, but that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Also follow me on my Instagram, which is thatspexygirl. You have to see the content I'm posting there because I've been working hard really. So yeah, that's it. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye.